Hello everyone, I am Zain Khan, the promoter and head coach of the Hero MMA and Fitness Academy, former MMA fighter. Today we are here to talk about the fight card being held at the Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 2. We have 17 pro fights which consist of 1 pro K1 fight, 8 fights in the prelim cards, 6 bouts in the main card and of course the co-main event and the main event. So let's begin with the fight talk. The first opening bout of our event is the K1 bout, which is between Ankush Bhandari versus Rohit Saluja. Guys, this is the first time in Hero MMA promotion, also in India, K1 fight is taking place inside the cage. So let's talk about both fighters. Ankush Bhandari is from Mangalore and Rohit Saluja is from SFL Gym, New Delhi. Good luck to both fighters. Let's talk about and let's move to the second bout. The second bout of the Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 2 is between Manikant Sinha versus Garv Thakur. Both fighters are making their debut in the Hero MMA promotion. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the third bout. Third fight is in the featherweight category between Rishabh Kant versus Praveen Shelge. Rishabh Kant is from New Delhi, holding a pro MMA record of 2 wins, 1 loss, and his opponent Praveen Shelge is from Solapur. He is making his debut. Praveen is a mud wrestler. So guys, you know what is mud wrestling. So this is going to be an interesting bout. A wrestler versus striker. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the fourth bout. The fourth bout is between Vaibhav Misri versus Jayesh Pandey in the middleweight category. Vaibhav Misri versus Jayesh Pandey. Both fighters are from Mumbai and they are making their pro debut inside the cage. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the fifth bout. The fifth bout of this event is between Kiran Ghag versus Sandeep Kumar. Kiran Ghag is from Outrao Gym, Panvel. Sandeep Kumar comes from Delhi. He is having a wushu background and he is making his pro debut against Kiran Ghag. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the sixth bout. The sixth bout is in the flyweight division between Shubham Bhagwat versus Ankush Surkar. Shubham Bhagwat is the contender of the Hero MMA promotion. He's fought several fights and he is ready to make his debut inside the cage against Ankush Surkar. He's from Pune. He's holding a pro record of 1 win, no loss. So this is going to be an exciting fight. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the seventh bout. The seventh bout of the event is between Ritika Singh versus Blessy Joy. This fight is in the strawweight category. This is the first female bout of our event. Both fighters are making their debut inside the cage. Good luck to both fighters. And the eighth bout is between Abdul Sarhan versus Salman Abbasi. This fight is in the lightweight category. Both fighters are making their pro debut inside the cage. Good luck to both fighters. Now let's move to the main card of the event. The eighth bout is between Sumit Kumar versus Prakash Raut. This fight is in the flyweight division. Sumit Kumar, he is a wrestler. He comes from Haryana. He trains in US, California under Uriah Faber, Team Alpha Male. His opponent, Prakash Raut, he is a pro fighter. He is holding a record of 3 wins, no losses. So again, this fight is going to be very excited. Wrestler versus striker. So good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the ninth bout. The 10th bout of the event is the female bout in the flyweight division. Anvita Alwa versus Monica Khar. Anvita Alwa, she is a Muay Thai fighter from Karnataka, Mangalore. She is a good striker. She is making her pro debut against Monica Khar. Monica Khar, she is a wrestler. She is holding a record of 1 win, no losses. Her last fight was seen at Soul of Warriors. So again, this is going to be an exciting fight. We wish good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the 11th bout. The 11th fight of the event is between Daud Khan versus Sumit Jadhav. This fight is in the flyweight division. Daud Khan, he represents Knockout Fight Club from Delhi. He is a mixed martial artist. He holds pro record, 3 wins, no losses. Whereas Sumit Jadhav, he is from Mumbai. He represents Fit and Fight Club. He holds record of 1 win, no loss. Sumit is a grappler. So again, this fight is a very exciting bout. Good luck to both fighters. Let's move to the 12th bout. The 12th bout of the event is in the flyweight division between Mukul Kashyap versus Ehtesham Ansari. Mukul Kashyap represents Fitness Factory Gym from Palghar. Ehtesham Ansari represents Knockout Fight Club from Delhi. Both fighters, all the best. The 13th bout of the event is in the featherweight category. Ravi Shaw versus Tribhuwan Isar. Ravi Shaw, he is a mixed martial artist. Ravi Shaw, he is an amateur fighter. He fought in the Hero Contender series and he is a star athlete. He is making his pro debut against Tribhuwan Isar. Tribhuwan Isar, he is a pro fighter and a very well-known athlete in Indian MMA scene. He's fought in SFL Season 2. We wish both fighters good luck. The 14th fight of the event is the third female bout in the strawweight category. Priya Saini versus Anuja Singh. Priya Saini comes from Delhi, represents SFL Gym. She holds a record of 3 wins, no losses, and she fights against Anuja Singh. Anuja Singh, she comes from Pune, representing Psycho Boxing Club. She holds a record of 1 win, no losses. Both fighters are undefeated and both fighters are going to face each other in this Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 2. So let's see who is ready to take a first loss in their MMA career. Good luck to both female fighters. Let's move to the 15th bout of the 15th bout of the event is in the lightweight category between Dhushan Burle versus Shankar Mehra. Dhushan Burle, he's from Mumbai. He represents Fit and Fight Club. He is a grappler. He is a freestyle fighter. His last fight was in the Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 1. He won that fight. It was a fabulous submission against Shivendra. He is fighting against Shankar Mehra. Shankar Mehra is a well-known athlete again in the Indian MMA scene. He's fought in Super Fight League, Brave Combat Federation. So this is going to be a brawl. Wish all the best to these both fighters. And let's move to the co-main event. Avinash Pandey versus Abhilash Rao. This fight is a very intense fight. Avinash Pandey, he represents Fitness Factory Gym from Palghar. He is a grappler. He holds record of 1 win, no loss. He fought, his last fight was an international fight against Afghanistan. He won that fight and he takes on Abhilash Rao. Abhilash Rao, he comes from Mumbai and he holds a record of 5 win, 1 loss. His background is boxing and both fighters are ready to take on each other. They are ready to stand toe to toe and this is going to be a battle. This co-main event is going to be in the history. So let's move to the main event. And the main event of the Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 2, Sultan Kokni versus Sagar Besla. This is a very exciting fight. Sultan Kokni is a mixed martial artist and he is undefeated in his amateur career and is making his pro debut against Sagar Besla, who is representing Amit Muay Thai Academy from Haryana. Sultan is a rising star of Nasik City, the place where MMA was born. Now, Sagar holds a record of 2 wins and no losses. So, this fight is going to be very excited. I am ready. Nasik is ready. Are you ready? This 24th October 2020, get ready for the Hero MMA Pro Fight Night 2.